Hey guys, this is my next toy. Um, I've been contemplating on this product for some time, but I just have to go ahead and grab it under Black Friday deal. That's basically it's soft. So there's the cable. There's the booklet materials. Nobody really, I don't think anyone really cares about them. This is a USB to USB-C. This is, I think this is for the remote controls for the gaming, like Xbox, PlayStation, if I'm not wrong, because that's what I've seen when I watched reviews about it. But let's see. Let's try it for the first time. Okay, let me open the settings on my phone. Bluetooth. Okay, so oh, there we go. This is quick. Okay. Let's open up Epidemic Sound. Let's see. Okay. I'm gonna do more review, but this is basically the process. Let me see how louder it can get. Okay. Stay tuned for the review because I don't know what they mean about privacy, because this literally feels like two speakers. They're so loud. I'm standing away from here and this is loud. Let's see this one. Okay, that's loud. Let me see bassy sound, because a lot of people complain that there's no bass. Let's see. Okay, is this bass? Okay, so the bass is there, and because most of the reviews say there is no bass to them, The bass is definitely there. Let me see. I have. You're supposed to pair it with the Sony app, which, which, oh, the Sound Connect. Is that it? I think that's what they changed it to. Oh my God. Sign in. It's asking me a bunch of stuff over here. I'll do this later. I just want to go to my device. Here you go. This is the Sony Bravia equalizer. Oh, see, even hear the sound. This is from Epidemic Sound. Now it's updating software, and I read in some of the forums that this update's kind of fixed a lot of things. So far, the sound is actually pretty good. So this is the 360, but you have to use one of those apps, which kind of, tricky. You get all this advertising about 360 and stuff like that, but you really gotta use compatible 360 applications. Yeah. So I don't know how I feel about this at this point because I kind of figured it would be more on the private side, but this is very, very loud. I actually wouldn't even feel comfortable wearing them. Yeah. Yeah, I wouldn't even feel comfortable. I don't think this amount of volume is kind of safe for the ears. Trust me, these are loud. They are bassy. They're also loud. Let me do some testing on my end and wear it on daily, and then I'll do a review about them. I do have a lot of headphones, but the reason why I got them, and this is what I want to test out, is I do have Quest 3 VR headset. I also have Apple Vision Pro, but also sometimes I just like to watch things without disturbing others, more of a louder volume, because when you have to lower the TV and you're sitting across from it, you're kind of forced to listen to things at the lower volume. And that was the reason why I wanted them. Now, I got them for $200 from Best Buy, Black Friday price. There was an open box for 170, but for $30, might as well just get the brand new one. Honestly, I bought with mentality probably of returning it because it's very hard to be impressed with devices nowadays, but I'm going to be very open-minded and see how this is because I want to use this at work sometimes. Like I'm a nurse, so sometimes I need some music and I don't want to wear headphones because I need to have my ears always open for monitoring purpose. So something like this would definitely be very beneficial for me. Anyway, stay tuned for the full review. Hopefully, this is gives a good of a first impression at this point because this is what it is. This is first impression, and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.